Oh, once again, the villagers. I made new words. No, they're not words, they're new sounds. I made new sounds. That's how you say, how are you in Flemlisnen. Smishmorshmen. Spit. I can't. I'm done. I'm done talking like that. I'm done. So I've got work again today. I'm about to start getting ready for that. I got my birthday card from the parents. Yeah, and I had, guess what in it? Starbucks. Yes, and the money. The money's good too, but that was from my aunt. And then it's all good. It's all the same. It's good. It's very good. So I'm gonna have some Starbucks. Probably not today, because it's not early enough for that. Well, I mean, there's no excuse to having Starbucks. You don't need an excuse to have Starbucks. You just have Starbucks to have Starbucks. Then you just have it. It's good, because it's coffee, and it's good. So if you haven't already, my Q&A was posted yesterday. So check that out, and then give me some questions. Post some more questions for me. And as you can see, the format's a little loose right now. But to make it more interesting and fun, I'm gonna try and do the next one within I'm gonna say 2 or 3 minutes to make it that much more fun. So it's gonna be crazy. I'm gonna try and do the next Q&A in just 3 minutes, max. I'm gonna try and just do it in a max. That's gonna be the max. And that should add some flavor and fun to it. So the more questions you send, the more funnier it's gonna be. That's all I'm gonna say. So if you give me a bunch of questions, I'm gonna try and cram all the questions I can into 3 minutes and my answers as well. So it's gonna be just nice rapid, which is fantastic. Because if you think of something that's like really rapid and just fast, just really, really funny, just think about it. If something's really fast and then you just can't stop, you just can't stop it because it's really, and then it just keeps moving and moving and moving and there's no stopping this train that's just gonna keep going. I mean, it's like, bang. See, just random sounds very fast, and it cuts to him very fast. It's just fun. It's just great. It's just fantastic. See, even this video is already past 3 minutes, and nothing's been said. Nothing. Ah! And I'm home, and the day's over, and this vlog's over. I want to make it quick, because I've already had a long intro in the beginning. I'll try to make this really fast. So I found a new comic monologue, and I'm going to work that one up as well as my dramatic monologue, and I'm going to put those two together. I'm going to find out how long that takes, and then I'll know how much time I have for my song. When my song comes through, I'm going to work on my song and figure out which section I need to have of my song, and I'll be good to go, and that's going to be my audition piece, and then you guys will be able to hear the audition piece when I have it all memorized, and it's all good to go. So stick around. It's going to be great. I love you. Thanks for watching. Peace out.